factors that go into sort of choosing the right degree, choosing the school. Interests, academic interests, your qualifications, your finances, your geographic location. So if your location, do you prefer urban, rural, large school, small school? I mean, only you can answer these questions. I can't answer these questions for you. If I was answering the questions for me, for everyone here, I'd say, okay, a big school in an urban environment that has lots of liberal arts courses and no business courses. Okay, why is that? Because that's what the type of school I went to and the type of school that I think everybody should go to. But I'm not everybody, okay? You may have a very different idea, so only you can really develop your own criteria. These are just sort of a general list, okay? And your criteria may change over time as you hear new things, as you grow, as you take new classes. Really listen to yourself and take in all the stimuli that's around you. If you're taking chemistry this year and you never thought you liked chemistry and all of a sudden like, well, I may want to go into medicine. Really listen to that, okay? That's really important feedback you got right away. Okay, so listen to all these things that are happening. So a lot is happening in your life now, particularly at this stage of your life. You're learning a lot, you're doing a lot, you're seeing a lot, and you're doing a lot of preparing. So listen to all these things. Your criteria is going to continually change, but particularly people in 10th grade, you have some time. It's not as though you're back in 8th grade, but you have some time. You have a year and a half to start preparing. So really start thinking about it and start thinking about sort of like all the things that are around you, and particularly in developing academic areas and in passions and interests. So.